Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon FBA for scaling your business. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, scaling your business with Amazon FBA is all about leveraging the platform's resources to expand your reach and increase sales. Start by optimizing your product selection. Identify high-demand products with strong margins that can drive growth. Consider adding variations or new products to your lineup to tap into new customer segments. Inventory management is crucial when scaling. Ensure you have enough stock to meet increasing demand without overstocking, which can lead to additional fees. Utilize Amazon's tools like Inventory Performance Index, IPI, to keep track of your inventory health and make data-driven decisions. Automation is your friend when scaling. Use Amazon's automated pricing tools to stay competitive without manual adjustments. Also, consider automating your advertising campaigns to optimize spend and reach more customers effectively. Lastly, focus on expanding your brand presence. Use Amazon's brand registry to protect your brand and enhance your listings with A+ content. As you scale, consider expanding to other marketplaces or international markets to reach a broader audience. By strategically using Amazon FBA's resources, you can scale your business efficiently and sustainably. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.